What do you worry about? Philippians 4:6 says, "Be anxious about nothing." Now, this verse doesn't offer any exceptions. Like, hey, if things are going really bad, you can start to worry. Don't worry about anything. Is that really possible? For me, worry is the greatest cause of stress in my life. In Matthew 6:25 through 27, Jesus says this, "Therefore I tell you, don't worry about your life, what you're going to eat or drink, or about your body, what you're going to wear. Is not life more than food, and the body more than clothes? Hey, look at the birds of the air. They don't sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not much more valuable than they?" So, catch this. Can any of you, by worrying, add a single hour to your life? Now here's the truth, straight from the lips of Jesus, God with skin on. Worry does not help us in any way ever. So what if we could worry less? I want you to start today by getting a little handle on your worries. So the challenge today is to consider all the things you worry about, all the bad what ifs of your life. What if I fail? What if I lose my job? What if my spouse leaves me? What if I flunk this test? What if my kids take the wrong path? Those worry-filled what ifs. So I want you today to just make a quick list on your phone as you go through the day. Make a list of your worries. And then next time, we'll look at the next step to start pushing those worries out of our lives. Have a God-saturated day. Share Mobile Disciple with a friend. And see you next time for part 2 of Philippians 4:6 through 7.